Welcome to the top best. The best blue white is probably one of the most versatile and aesthetically pleasing color palettes available, offering a timeless appeal that can transform any space into a serene and sophisticated sanctuary, making it a popular choice for interior design enthusiasts and homeowners alike seeking to create a calming and elegant atmosphere that transcends fleeting trends and provides a sense of enduring beauty and tranquility. Number 5. Amazon Essentials Men's Poplin Shirt. Introducing a timeless addition to your wardrobe. This shirt offers a regular fit for ultimate comfort, perfect for any occasion. Crafted from breathable poplin, it keeps you cool and comfortable all day long. Experience lightweight where that feels great against your skin. Its classic design makes it incredibly versatile. Dress it up or down effortlessly, from casual outings to more formal settings. Enjoy hassle-free maintenance with this easy-care garment. It's designed to maintain its look and feel, wash after wash. Elevate your everyday style with this essential piece. It's the perfect blend of comfort, style, and durability for the modern man. What we like. This shirt offers a comfortable and classic look. It's made with breathable fabric for all-day wear. If you're looking for a versatile staple for your wardrobe that can be dressed up or down, this is a great choice. What people say. The cotton fabric is just right. Substantial but soft. The stitching and construction are impressively good. The fabric print is aligned and matched among the various panels, like where the sleeve meets the body of the shirt, and where the patch pocket attached to the main body part. The fabric is light and breathable, making it a good choice for warm weather or for layering under a jacket without feeling bulky. The fit in the body is regular and comfortable, not too tight or too boxy, and the short sleeves sit at a natural length. The material also feels soft right out of the package, and the color, blue-gray, is versatile enough to pair with jeans, chinos, or shorts. Well made. L fits true to size, 5 feet 10, 178 pounds. Small taper cut to the shirt. 100% cotton. Nice to have a Hawaiian pattern in cotton and not hot for summer polyester. Red-blue. Number 4. Century Star Women's Knee-High Striped Socks. Introducing the Century Star Knee-High Striped Socks, designed for both style and comfort. These long, thin tube socks offer a sleek look. Perfect for athletic activities or adding a sporty flair to your everyday outfits. They provide a snug yet comfortable fit. Enjoy the extended thigh-high length for added warmth and a fashionable silhouette. They stay up without slipping. Crafted from soft, breathable materials, these socks ensure your feet stay comfortable all day long. They are gentle on the skin. Featuring classic striped pattern, these tall stockings add a touch of personality to any ensemble. Elevate your sock game. Built to last, these socks maintain their shape and color even after multiple washes. Invest in quality and style. What we like. These socks add a fun pop of style to any outfit. The knee-high length and striped pattern are eye-catching. If you love a bold accessory and want to add some personality to your casual or athletic wear, these are perfect for you. What people say. Great size and super stretchy, but not too much. They are great quality too and just thick enough to keep their feet super warm while walking around to trick or treat. They stay up great and were really comfortable. My son is 15 years old and they fit perfectly. They are very well made. He said that they stayed in place all day and were very comfortable. These are soft, stretchy, and fit my plus-size calves easily and also fit my thinner friend. They don't slip down easily. They are lightweight so don't provide too much warmth. Number 3. Lutron Caseta Smart Dimmer Switch Kit PBDG PKG2WA. Seamlessly integrate your lights with Amazon Alexa, Apple Home, Google Home, and many more smart home ecosystems. It connects with more devices than any other smart lighting brand. Control your lights wirelessly from anywhere in your home with the included Pico remote. It works through walls and has a 10-year battery life. Upgrade your existing lights to smart lighting with a single dimmer switch. This allows you to save money and maintain your preferred bulb styles. Manage your lighting from anywhere using the Lutron app. You can set schedules, create scenes, and utilize advanced smart features. This dimmer switch not only offers advanced functionality but also features a sleek, modern design. It allows for full control of your lights, including dimming. Experience super fast, ultra-reliable smart lighting that doesn't rely on Wi-Fi. It operates independently, ensuring your other devices are not slowed down. What we like. This smart dimmer switch kit offers unparalleled connectivity with major smart home platforms. Its reliable, Wi-Fi-free connection ensures fast response times. If you're looking to build a robust smart home ecosystem and want seamless control over your lighting, this is the ultimate solution. What people say. Lutron Caseta switches are the best system because of its versatility and integration with Alexa, Google, Apple, etc. The Lutron Caseta system is easiest to install without any hassles in adding neutral wiring, as older homes often don't have neutral wires, and since the Lutron Caseta doesn't require neutral wires to operate. Lutron switches integrate seamlessly with Alexa and it's really easy to set up. Additionally, it's easy to use for guests without knowing how to use Alexa because the switches work traditionally too. Number 2. KARIN Women's Floral Maxi Dress. Discover the perfect blend of boho charm and summer comfort with this stunning floral maxi dress. Its flowy design is ideal for any warm weather occasion. Channel your inner free spirit with this beautiful halter sundress. The vibrant floral print adds a touch of playful elegance to your vacation wardrobe. Planning your next getaway? This dress is your go-to for effortless style on the beach or during casual outings. It's designed for both comfort and fashion. Enjoy the convenience of pockets without compromising on style. This dress offers a practical yet chic solution for your everyday adventures. Experience the flattering silhouette of this flowy maxi dress. It moves beautifully with you, ensuring you look and feel amazing all day long. Don't miss out on this must-have piece for your summer collection. It's the ultimate combination of comfort, style, and versatility. What we like. This dress is perfect for a relaxed yet stylish look. The flowy maxi design and halter neckline are flattering and comfortable. If you're planning a vacation or just want a chic, easy-to-wear dress with the convenience of pockets, this is an excellent option. What people say. The floral print is vibrant without being too loud, and the crisscross halter neck is super flattering. The flowy A-line shape gave it such an elegant, effortless vibe, and the fabric felt light and breathable all night. It's well constructed and the pockets are a nice addition. This fabric is soft and thick enough that I can wear it braless with confidence. The sleeveless design and flowy fit makes it feel cool to me, yet supportive enough that I don't feel self-conscious as if it were see-through. The color and cut are very flattering. As a bonus, it even has pockets. It is very feminine and flowy and just the right length for me. Number 1. Blue and white ceramic ginger jar with lid. Add a touch of timeless elegance to your home with this stunning blue and white ceramic ginger jar. Its classic shape and pattern bring a sophisticated flair to any room. This piece is a perfect match for Asian, traditional, or coastal style home decor. It beautifully showcases cultural, elegant, and soothing elements. While it's designed for decorative purposes, this versatile piece can store various items. Please note, it is not food safe. Crafted from durable ceramic, it features a smooth glazed finish on both the body and the removable lid. This ensures a lasting beauty. Measuring 6.25 inches round and 8.25 inches in height, with a 2.5-inch diameter opening, it's perfectly sized for display on shelves, tables, or mantels. What we like. This ginger jar brings timeless elegance to any space. Its classic blue and white pattern and ceramic finish are striking. If you appreciate traditional or coastal decor and want a beautiful accent piece to elevate your home's aesthetic, this is a fantastic choice. What people say. This is a beautiful 6.5 green ginger jar with white leaves and flowers. Nice weight and quality. Nice fitting lid. The look is exactly as pictured, so pretty. Quality is great and a perfect addition to my decor. This 10-inch ginger jar is exquisite. Much larger than I anticipated. The detail is beautiful. The main blue is a darker navy blue, with a hint of lighter blue in the leaves. It's a great size. And it was very well packed in a solid styrofoam case. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.